lights, I think. Because it was coming right toward her.
Well,
Look up through yonder. Oh,
look.
look up there at Frederick's house, Dad. See up at Frederick's house?
No, we used to live right back there, right?
No.
Where's Stacy Street? Ain't that up here?
Right up here. And I don't know if it got that house or not.
Looks like it skipped right over it.
If they say anything, tell them we've got to have something to eat. They're having to use this.
Well, Giovanni's was gone, wasn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. Look back through yonder. Oh.
Well, here it is.
Tore all the buildings.
Imogene lived out there and it took the roof off of her house.
Yeah.
Right here.
There we go. Look over there.
Oh,
That's Giovanni's right
oh,
Oh, look at Giovanni's, hon.
there. Was
Oh.
Giovanni's.
Giovanni's is gone.
oh my goodness. Hmm.
This feller wasn't very nice.
Look back through yonder.
Oh yeah, look at the apartments. Look at the apartments up there.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there's our gas station. It's gone.
That's one of them. There's another one out by the food court.
Look at that. It just demolished it. Oh, look at the car wash.
Yeah.
Car wash is gone.
Look there at that place. They're just getting it ready.
Look at there.
Look at that pizza place.
Yeah. Look at there. Look at all the trailers.
Yeah. They're.
Yeah.
I can't believe
Look at
anybody
that,
wasn't killed in those.
Where is that there place, eatery that was here?
Right there.
Oh, well, it ain't no more. It was there when I was in high school.
That's probably down for Donnie's grocery store.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
And, oh,
Look at the
yonder.
roof.
I have got nowhere to shop.
I told her she might actually clean her house now that she doesn't have no place to shop.
It's turned Everest Tombstone over about.
Yeah, and look at that. Look at the store there, the dollar store.
Oh, by the way, Mom, Vincent's tombstone that knocked it over.
Oh, it did.
Us, me and Darren stood it back up.
Oh, good.
Was everybody else's tombstone okay?
Yeah, everything else is fine. We got some ideas for Dad's we're gonna do.
Now, who's
Williams Furniture.
Williams Furniture? Oh my God.
Look at everything's just a mess.
Look over
Look at there.
here. Now, what was here? Oh, this is a dollar store.
Yeah, that was the new one.
Look what it done to the old one up here. And the family dollar.
Yeah, look back over there.
Family dollar's gone.
What a mess. Just look at all the debris.
What was that?
Look at down there. Look at that. Look at all the trees. Oh my goodness.
That's there, that's back there.
Right? Unbelievable. How you doing? Look at there. What's the parts store right up here? What a mess. Oh, look at that poor guy's truck. Oh no. Right there. Oops. There's our old food court. It's there, it's just a mess.
I'll tell you.
Oh, I'm sure. The school probably helped shield it. Oh, here's town now, man. Here's downtown. I don't know if we'll be able to get back through. Yeah. We come back tomorrow.
Have it open until 7.
Yeah. Hey, you want to get some Barbies to the drive-thru? No? You wait? Alright. Well, yeah, you do. Well, you had one. Right there. Go to the drive-thru. No, I wouldn't worry a whole lot about that. Ice and insurance claims.
That's his customs. After nothing, that's what he's done. National Bank's the only one that's
But it's still there.
But my husband's bank got it.
Oh, look at back there. Now, wouldn't it? Now, if you lived back here and you were okay. Wow, look over there. What a mess. Yeah, look at there. What was that, Ma?
Down here's first.
Oh, look at the Food Express. It's gone.
Look at that Christian church up there.
Yeah, they demolished it. Look at that. Oh, here's
That's Rite Aid.
here's Rite Aid. What's left of it. Here's that church on the corner, Ma. Down here's man. Look at the bank. Look at it. Now look at Uncle Kermit's old gas station. Gone. Ain't nothing left of it. Woo, look at all this.
Now that's Methodist church.
We blew out everything on that house. Look at this one. Woo-wee. And I thought Kenny said everything coming in this way. It don't look too bad. I think you missed. They got a little bit of damage.